Butterflies and moths use these huge kind of gliding type wings to reach flowers both on the ground and high up in trees where they commonly go, especially if a garden area doesn't have very many blooms. And interestingly, when they land on flowers, butterflies actually use special receptors on the ends of their legs to kind of taste the bloom and kind of tell what type of flowers that way. They actually have smell receptors in their legs. And now this sounds pretty freakish to us, but a lot of insects have, interesting sensory adaptations in different parts of their bodies than us. For example, a lot of grasshoppers actually have ears in their legs. And so actually when they kind of scout and maybe relax and kind of kick their feet up, they're actually listening to the environment around them.